Hey everyone, my name is Tino, and today I'm going to actually do something a little bit crazy I don't think most people actually do, which is I'm going to lose my hair and I'm going to get it back in one day. And I don't, most people don't wake up in the morning and think that they're going to do that, but let me explain what's going on. So I actually, a few months ago, was at a party with a few friends, and one of my friends is experiencing quite a bit of hair loss. And I was telling him that I have a few friends that are in the hair loss industry and they own their own studio, and that he should think about going in there. And one of the things that he said to me was that, yeah, go ahead, you put a rug on top of your head and a toupee. And I said, I don't think that's the way it works. I think they actually have more technology now that make it look real. So I decided I'm going to accept his challenge. I'm actually going to this is my hair, and I'm 30 years old, and this is actually all mine. And we're going to go ahead and shave a part of this and then put a hair system back on. So it's kind of nervous. Last couple months I was actually kind of excited about this, but now I woke up this morning ready to do it and I'm a little nervous. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly show you that all I do in the morning for my hair, see if I can do this with one hand, is I just put gel in it. This is why my wife hates me, just because it takes me no time to actually do my hair in the morning. She also doesn't like the fact that I get up later than her too. So this is all I do. I put some gel in, put it up, and then that's it. The best part is that my wife actually knows I'm doing this, and she's not too happy about it. And I also just got married 5 days ago. So I'm gonna have a hair system, and it's non-surgical, so they're gonna just put it right on my head, and it's supposed to look real. And I'm not gonna lie, I have a whole bunch of feelings going through my head right now. One of them is I'm definitely nervous. And I'm nervous to see what I look like without any hair in the front part of my head. And I know that that's going to be more of a shock to me just because it's not a gradual process like my friend's going through who is dealing with hair loss. But the other part is I'm nervous that this is even going to look good when it's done. And I know that that was his biggest concern, was to make sure it actually looks real, so it doesn't look like like a hairpiece or a toupee, or what he called was a rug. And that's scaring me a little bit. So I got a whole bunch of emotions going through. Plus, I already know my wife is not too thrilled about this. I just got a text from her saying, I wish I would have rubbed your hair one last time. So I know she's not too thrilled, but she gets it. Hopefully in a couple of weeks my hair will all be back to normal and we'll go from there. So we're almost there. And we'll be seeing Vince, who's going to do my hair, and we'll see where it goes from there. That's crazy. Oh wow, can't believe it. And it feels real too. That's cool. That's crazy.
This was the first. This was the first.
So that's how you lose your hair and get it back in one day. Holy cow.
Alrighty.
So for anybody out there who thinks that this stuff can't look real, this is proof of how real it actually looks. Can't even tell it's even on there. It's crazy. I'm telling you, it's just unbelievable how much I can't even tell it's even on there. That is crazy. And the best part is I can't even feel it even there. Thanks, Vince, for making me bald and getting my hair back all in one day. So thanks a lot.
No problem.
I am now driving. It's been, I've had it on for now about an hour, and I cannot believe how real it looks. It feels real, it looks real, and I don't even notice it's even on. So you can go through your normal day and you don't even have to worry about it. It's on there, you can play with it, people can touch it, and nobody will even know. It's unbelievable. My father is the one that usually cuts my hair, so I decided that I'm gonna go to my parents' house and say hello to him and see if he noticed anything with my hair. So let's go give it a shot real quick. I think he's in the backyard working on whatever stuff that he works on. So. Hey, Dad.
Hey.
I'm videotaping you right now because I don't have real hair right now on my head. So I want to see what your perspective is of my head.
You got no hair?
Underneath this, there's no hair. Can you believe it?
No kidding.
Yeah, isn't that cool? It look how real that looks.
You kind of like that.
Isn't that cool? So this is coming from my barber, and isn't that cool? I mean, it's I can't even tell it's on there right now.
Really?
Yeah, it's really cool. I'm telling everyone this is my mother, but I want to get your perspective of my hair. Do you like my hair? Because it's not real.
Your hair's not real?
My hair is not real.
Get out!
Isn't that crazy? Yep.
How is your hair not real?
It's not real.
Yes, it
The
is.
sides are, but not the top.
What?
Yeah. I have a hair system on. They shaved the top of my head and then they put a hair system on.
Get out!
Isn't that cool?
You're a kid.
No, can you tell?
No.
I'm not kidding. Here, I'll show you a picture of it.
Yeah,
But
show me a picture
I will.
of your bald head.
Okay, hang on. So I'm going to show you a picture of what I looked like this morning.
Oh. Oh my God.
Yep. So this is the picture I just showed my mother, and that's what I looked like this morning.
So now what will happen with that though?
Well, over time I'll eventually have to get it off, and then I will let my hair grow
Will your
back.
own hair grow
Yeah,
back?
my hair will grow back. I want to show you something. This morning, I looked like this.
No, roll around that.
You can give me the camera. So can you believe that this is not my real hair?
That is not your real hair.
That is not my real hair.